When you have a dream, it's not just a wish, it's a declaration of your potential. But let's get real, life isn't going to roll out a red carpet for your dreams. It's going to throw challenges your way to see how bad you really want it. You'll face setbacks, lose friends, and feel like you're wandering in the dark. This is where the magic happens. In those moments of uncertainty, you're not just tested, you're forged. It's a choice between crumbling under the weight or rising stronger and more determined than ever. Winners don't sit around feeling sorry for themselves. They get up and move forward. They use every setback as fuel to drive them closer to their dreams. Sure, the road isn't easy. Every obstacle is an opportunity to learn, grow, and become unstoppable. Those challenges are there to push that dream inside you out into the world. So when you're tired, when it feels like everything is against you, remember why you started. Think about the people you're doing this for, your family, your loved ones, and most importantly, yourself. You're not alone in chasing your dreams, but you can outwork, outgrind, and outperform anyone else. It's about dedication, sacrifice, and unwavering belief in yourself. You'll face rejection, failure, and doubt, but you can't let that stop you. Legends aren't made in comfort, they're made in the trenches. You have to keep pushing, keep believing, and keep hoping, because on the other side of this struggle is the life you've been fighting for. You have incredible potential within you just waiting to be unleashed. Don't settle for mediocrity, demand greatness from yourself. When life knocks you down, get back up and keep fighting. Effort is isolated, it's 100% in your mind, so don't give in, don't settle, and don't let anyone dictate your worth. It's your life's purpose, your calling, and once you realize that, nothing can stop you. So stand tall, stay relentless, and remember, it's not just possible, it's necessary. Your dreams are waiting, and you have what it takes to make them a reality.